You think selling is about talking, about listing benefits, dropping features, and praying someone says yes. That's why you're broke. That's why you're ignored. That's why you walk out of conversations feeling like you were the one sold to. Selling, real selling, is not about convincing people. It's about making them convince themselves. And when you master this, you can sell anything, to anyone, anytime, without begging, without chasing, without feeling fake. I'm going to show you the quickest way to do it. But warning, once you know this, you'll never see human interaction the same way again.
Most of you are doing it wrong. You meet someone, a client, a customer, a date, a boss, and you think, if I explain enough, they'll say yes. So you overtalk. You push. You fill the silence with nervous facts. You try to prove yourself. And you don't realize the more you push, the more they pull away. People don't buy the best product. They buy the product they feel is for them. And here's the truth that no one wants to tell you. The more desperate you are to sell, the less people trust you. This is why you can't close the deal. This is why your business won't grow. This is why you can't even get a text back. It's not because you're not talented enough. It's because you're giving away your power every single time you open your mouth.
Let me tell you about Jake. Jake was a real estate agent. Young guy, smart, driven. But he couldn't close a sale to save his life. He'd show clients houses, walk them through every detail, answer every question, and they'd nod politely, say, "We'll think about it," and they'd disappear. One day, Jake came to me frustrated. He said, "I'm doing everything right. Why aren't they buying?" I told him, "Jake, you're chasing them, and people run from what chases them. You need to flip it. Make them chase you." He didn't get it at first, so I gave him one rule. Stop trying to close the deal. Start making them curious. The next client he had, instead of launching into a sales pitch, he asked one question. "If you could snap your fingers and have your dream home today, what would it look like?" They lit up. They described it in vivid detail. And instead of talking, Jake listened and only spoke to connect their vision to one property. By the end of the tour, they were asking him if they could put in an offer. Jake didn't convince them. He made them convince themselves. Here's the truth. The quickest way to sell anything to anyone is to stop trying to sell and start making them want. And there are 3 steps to doing it. Step 1. Stop selling. Start creating curiosity. People are addicted to mystery. If you explain everything up front, there's no reason for them to stay. You want to drop breadcrumbs, not dump the whole loaf. Example, instead of saying, "This software will save you time and money," you say, "I can show you how to get 3 hours of your life back every single day without changing your schedule." They'll lean in. They'll ask how. That's when you guide them. Step 2, mirror their emotional state. Selling isn't a transfer of information, it's a transfer of emotion. If they're excited, match their excitement. If they're stressed, slow your tone and give calm energy. You can't lead someone somewhere if you don't start where they are. Step 3, make them chase you. Humans want what they can't easily have. Don't be instantly available. Don't give every detail. Make them earn the next step. Instead of saying, "You should buy this," say, "Honestly, this isn't for everyone. But if you think it's the right fit for you, here's what happens next." When you do this right, they'll work harder to prove to you that they're ready, instead of you working to prove to them that you're worth it. When you sell like this, you're no longer just a salesperson. You're in control. You become the person people lean forward for, the one they listen to, the one they remember. You'll walk into any room, boardroom, date, interview, with unshakable confidence, because you know you don't need everyone to say yes. You just need the right ones to want you. Tomorrow, you're going to meet someone. It might be a customer, a boss, a stranger at a coffee shop, and you'll have a choice. Keep doing what you've always done, pushing, talking, convincing, or you try this. You create curiosity. You mirror their emotion. You make them chase you. And you'll feel it, that shift, that control, that quiet confidence. And once you feel it, you'll never go back. Selling isn't manipulation, it's leadership. It's guiding people to a decision they already wanted to make, but needed you to help them see it. If this hits you, if you know this is the game changer you've been needing, then don't just sit there. Hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing rules, and share this with the one person who needs to hear it today. Because the quickest way to sell anything to anyone is to become the person they can't say no to.